Guys, I think this is a doctor's house. He has a clinic here as well, so patient can come. If they ask me, I will say my stomach is paining. Please take me inside.
NANI?
How to make sure bill is ringing or not? Is there anyone? Hello? Anyone? We actually wanted to see such big houses from inside.
I have to call the madam.
You are not the madam.
No. Why would
Who
you?
is the madam then? Please let me talk to her. Madam. Hello, ma'am. Is this Kanchan? No, I'm Nishu. Yes. Ma'am, actually, I'm a YouTuber. And no, see, we have a family emergency right now. Please, you cannot call anyone like this. Okay, it's okay. This Jaguar is okay. By the way, who buys a blue Jaguar? Why is no one showing us their house from inside?
What can I say? I'm a driver
You
myself.
are a driver.
Yes.
You look like a owner.
Make me the owner. If you want, I'm the owner.
I have seen such big houses only from outside. I wanted to see from inside.
If you want to see my house, then come to Vasantgaon. I will give you whole tour of my house. Okay?
He's so kind that he's ready to show his own house, but he cannot show this house. Hey, please, someone give us a tour of their house. Is there anyone in the house?
Yeah, tell me.
Is the owner here?
No,
Then who?
there are some guests here. So, what do you want?
We wanted to see this house from inside. Can we?
Why do you wanna see?
It's my wish.
I have to ask and take order.
Please do it now, please. It is my dream. My dream since I was in my mother's womb to see this house.
They will not let you see.
At least give it a try. If they refuse, we will go away. He's asking.
No, they are just passing by.
We are not passing time. We do vlogs, man.
They are doing only time pass here.
Arey, this is not some time pass. Tell them I'm a big YouTuber and have come in a big car.
Okay. They refused. I already told you. If you have any invitation, then you can.
We don't have an invitation.
If they had called you, then it's another thing.
But if it's someone's dream, they can't see it.
No.
No worries. It's not that great anyway. We are not making Instagram reels. We are on a big quest. The quest is all these big expensive houses. How do they look actually from the inside?
So come and see.
Show me, do you know anyone here?
Yeah, I have an office here.
You have office. So can you get us a tour of this house?
I'll take the permission. If they say yes, then I will show
Okay,
you
then take the
house.
permission. Talk to them.
Yeah, I'll talk to them.
Do?
Yeah, you come, I'll talk.
Then come.
I'll go talk and then I'll come and tell you, okay?
No, we will go along with you.
Yeah, how can I take you like
Where
this,
is the
madam?
house?
Don't. That is not the house, that is office.
There is no house.
No, there is a house, but there is upstairs. Down there is an office and I work there, okay?
Okay, then. So will you take the permission?
Yeah, I'll ask them.
Go fast. Go run. Do it quickly. Come back fast.
There is a meeting going on in the office. They refuse. They told that it's an urgent meeting, so we can't let you go inside. So they refuse.
Not the office, the house.
Yeah, I work in the office, you know.
What did you actually tell them? I just want to know that.
I told them that there is a YouTuber came here. She's telling
Ah.
that she wanted to see the office, but they said there is an urgent meeting going on, so they
He
refused.
said that there's a YouTuber who wants to see the office. But we wanted to see the house.
But I just work in the office, you know.
But we want to see the house. Who wants to see the office?
If you want to see the house, then you can talk to the owner.
Oh God, you made such a fool out of us.
But I work in the office. You know, whenever I see him, I feel like I get mad. I like kill him.
Is this a cafe or what?
No,
It's a house, right? We wanted to see this house from inside.
no, sorry.
So can we look at these gardens?
You can see from outside here.
Yeah, we will see the garden. No, I don't want it.
I'm going to her.
Oh, look at here. This is their letterbox. They have so many plants, even a sitting area just like a cafe. Are there chefs also inside?
Yes,
How many helpers are there?
5.
5 people from outside roaming only. If we also go inside, what damage will be done? I can do nice dusting. Try talking to your owner once.
So you had to come early morning.
Guys, this house seems to be very expensive. You know those masks that people hang outside their house to ward off the evil eye? Normally they are black. This one is golden, guys. If I could climb, that would be the first thing I would get. Would see the house later on. The day ended, but not my target. And that's why the next day I returned. Guys, today is our day 2 and today we are in another posh area of Delhi. And that is Greater Kailash. Here also we will go house to house and ask for a tour. And if we don't get a tour today as well, then we won't stop until we get a tour. I will get a tour for sure. There is a beautiful house in front of me. I'm going there. Sister, can we look at the house from inside? I need to ask. You please go and ask. We can wait here. I can see that. Hello, auntie. Hello. I wanted to see the house from inside. I can't do that. None of my children are at home. Look at it from outside. Something is better than nothing. This is the sitting area. There are plants here. And this is the parking. They have a mini garden here. You can do a bonfire here in the winters. So guys, we saw it from outside, but because of privacy, we can't go inside. Come. Thank you, auntie. Thank you so much. You at least allowed us to enter the gate. Guys, it was so nice of auntie to call me inside. So I just kept speaking for 3 minutes non-stop, talking about the leaves and the bushes. I was like, if I don't see anything, auntie will think that I'm here to rob her. Auntie, you doing good?
I'm okay, dear.
No one is giving permission to see the house from inside. What to do?
I just had a surgery and you want to take photos here.
Do you work in this house? We wanted to see how the house looks from the inside.
If the owner will say, then you can go.
Then should I ring the bell and call the owner? Is the owner serious?
What can I say, madam?
Oh, something fell on my head. Even the birds of this area are shitting on my head. Why will the owner show the house? Please clean this, guys. Play your pipes in a way so that all the landlords of these houses come out. And then they will show their house. Can you play like that?
If they wish to, they will show you. What can I do?
You play first at least. If someone would play these pipes in our area, the whole colony would gather outside. These rich don't get out of their homes. There's a man playing the pipes and there's someone who wants to see the house. No one will come, uncle. Brother, don't these people come out for groceries?
No.
Then why are you selling here?
Sometime they will come to buy.
So when you know that they won't come out to buy, why are you selling here?
1 or 2 people come to buy.
Then why not sell at the road? You will have a good business. Can I take an apple? It has to be someone who will call me inside and allow me to have a tour. Is there someone inside?
No, go.
So if we want to see the house from inside, can we?
No, there is no permission. You can't even stand here. Go.
We can't even stand.
Yeah, it's a restricted area. It's
Is
a
this the
privacy.
house of some celebrity? Whose?
I can't tell you everything. Go outside. You can't see anything.
Hey
Go.
guys, let's move from here. He won't tell us we are nobody for him. Just for the sake of challenge, see, we have to do things like this. And you guys don't even like or subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Hit 2 million. 2 million. 3rd floor, ground first. Actually, I'm a vlogger. I have seen such nice houses from outside only. So I want to see how these houses look from inside.
I'll just call them once and I'll ask that they will show you or not. The 1st floor here is mine. You can come and see.
So can we take a house tour of your floor?
Yeah, of course.
Bro, I don't believe my luck. After 2 days of continuous rejections, finally.
Hey, hi.
You please come here.
This gate has so much weight. The electricity meter that stays naked at our house. Okay, what is your name by the way?
Kushan.
So does sunlight come from there? So this is the sitting area of this house. Why you call it a house? Why not a hotel? The watch is fixed onto the dining table?
No. If you want, you can just lift it up like this.
Don't like it?
You please come.
This is sofa cum bed. If you like, then sofa, otherwise bed. The TV is fitted inside. So guys, this is TV. You will only know it is here when it is turned on. So guys, guys, this room belongs to Kushan. Kushan, am I right? Which class you are in?
11th.
11th. Does your mom even know that you are giving out a house tour?
No.
And if she comes to know?
So she will